exercise authority in the church, may they be faithful in their service for the people of God. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For all public servants, may they become responsible stewards of all that God has entrusted to them, and accountable government officials to the people they have sworn to serve. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For the end of poverty, may you grant us greater awareness to whatever needs of our indigent brethren from the detrimental effects brought about by any forms of poverty. We pray.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For all of us gathered today, may we see everything through the eyes of faith, that we may realize that everything is God's gift to us,